I'm back. I'm recording now, so you guys know. So remember, there's two equations. The equations are pretty much the same, but they're different because one, the x is positive, one, the y is positive. If the x is positive, they go left and right, which is this one here. If the y is positive, they go up and down, which is that right there. You need your straight edge for this. Okay. I'll give you guys another 30 seconds. And then, of course, if you need more time, let me know. I'll tell you when 30 seconds is up. Whoa. Okay, 10 seconds. I'm going to remove this in 10 seconds unless someone says something. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, I'm moving it. All right. Go to the next slide, which is just lower on the paper. Okay, now the foci is, how do you figure that out? A squared plus b squared equals c squared. Remember the foci before was a squared minus b squared. This one is a squared plus b squared. Sorry, let me show you something real quick. Let me go down to the picture here. The foci are right here. Boom, boom. Okay, they're on the they sit inside the hyperbola. Okay, not in the box, but you got to go inside the hyperbola. The foci are here for this one right here. Boom, boom. Foci is a squared plus b squared equals c squared, or big squared plus small squared equals c squared. Remember, the a and the b are the denominators. And then let's talk about the asymptote. You don't have to write the definition for the asymptote. I'm assuming you have already heard the term asymptote, but these little lines right here, those are asymptotes. The hyperbola is going to come very close to that asymptote, but it'll never touch. Asymptote is a line the graph can never cross, but it always approaches. A line that continually approaches a given curve, but does not meet it at the finite distance. It'll never touch or cross the asymptote. Okay, that's pretty much everything for the hyperbolas. We're going to do some problems. I'm going to remove this in 20 seconds.
You said there's only 6 problems today, right?
Well, it's 1 through 13 odd. So I don't know, what is that? 6 or 7? What is that?
6.
1, 3, 5, 9, 13. There's only 5 then.
Awesome.
Am I not giving you guys enough problems? Am I not giving you guys enough? Maybe I should give you more. I'm not thinking about it. 5 isn't enough.
No, that's enough.
No, I don't know. I feel like
perfect.
No. Look I see some of you look disappointed. Like I'm looking at you guys see me looking at you like Madison looks disappointed. Like
I'm
Jade,
not
she seems disappointed. I understand. No, I understand. You feel like I'm cheating you out of your education. I mean, your parents are paying for this education. So wait, where am I now? I'm looking for. Here we go. Look at. Here we go. Flink. There it is. So 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 problems. And we're not going to do these. We're not going to find them. We're just going to graph them. So let's go ahead and do them. Okay, so look what it's telling you to do. Identify the vertices, the foci, and the direction opening of each. By the way, the vertices are like, here's the vertices. Should have said. What do you guys think the vertices are, right? There's one right there and one right there, right? It's the vertex kind of, right? And this one, the vertice is there. That's the vertice, or the vertex for singular, the vertex for that one. Vertices, plural, right? I went to the store and I bought one vertex. It was delicious. So I decided I wanted more. So I decided to buy 2 vertices. There, I used them as a sentence. Okay, let's do it. Get back to the chopper. We got to get back to the chopper now. Why don't we get the chopper? Let's get to the chopper. Okay, so let's write down what we need. We need to identify the vertices, the foci, and the opening. Just 3. This is a lot easier than, but okay. So the way I'm going to do this is I'm going to graph it. Okay, now you don't need to graph it. There's ways to figure it out if you could figure it out without graphing it, but looking at a picture is way better. Okay, now identify a hyperbola. Let's figure out. Now, remember I said the center is H and K. You'll see the center is not really a center, but I'm calling it a center. What is the center of this hyperbola? What do you think? Let's see. I know you guys can see me. Let me get it like this. Okay, let's go with Camilo. What's the center, do you think, of this thing? The H and K.
0, 0.
Correct. We'll say 0, 0. Camilo's right. 0, 0. Okay, so let's go ahead and graph it. That center is where everything's going to be at. So I'm going to go, let's see. Center's right here. I'll make it red for my, well, I'll do it orange because my graph is going to be red. There's my center. 0, 0. Camilo said. Now, okay. My A is 9. My B is 2. Got it? So I'm going very slow here. But if I'm going because I'm going medium speed. Okay, so my A is square root of 81 is 9. B is square root of 4 is 2. Anyway, it doesn't matter. This one, am I going to go up, down, or left and right for my 9? Up or down or left and right? Let's go with Jade. What do you think? Am I going to go up, down with my 9 or left and right with my 9, Jade?
Left and right.
Very good, because it's under the X. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now, so that means up 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay. Now we're going to draw, you see our points there? Now we're going to draw our box with our points. And you just, right? This is going to be the height of the box. This is going to be the width of the box. So I'm going to go like this. Do it. This is not your graph, so do it in dashes. Little dashes. Dash, dash. We go like this. We dash it. Dash, 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 dash. And we dash it. Dash, 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 dash. And whoops, I went a little low, but it doesn't matter. We just want to cross that point right there where our next line is going to be. Line it up right there. Dash it. dashy, 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 dashy. There's our box to help us graph the hyperbola. That is not the hyperbola. That's just a beautiful box. A beautiful box. Beautiful is beautiful. Okay, now, for our hyperbola, let's draw our asymptotes. So you take your straight edge, and you connect the corners of the box, this corner to this corner. These are going to be your asymptotes. So I connect that corner to that corner, connect them, dash, dash, dashies, make them dashies. And then you connect this corner to that corner. And the center can go right through it too. Connect your dashies. Dashy, 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 dashy. Oh, that was way off. That's okay. Do your little arrows. Boom. Okay. Now, this is going to open up and down or left or right. Let's go with Isaac. What do you think, Isaac? Up and down or left or right? 50-50 chance.
Left to right?
Do you say up and right? Are you throwing two at me?
No, left to right.
Left to right. Very good, because the x is positive here. This is positive, so I go left and right. So I'm going to use red to graph. This is my actual hyperbola. The vertex is right here on this point, right here on that point. And then you just draw it so it comes close to the asymptote but does not touch it. Doot, doot. And it goes on forever. Doot, doot. Same here. Can go a little bit further because I have room. Doesn't touch the asymptote. Doot, doot. Doot, doot. Okay, the questions. What are the vertices? Okay, here's one vertice right here. All right. So I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Vertice is, I'm writing above my little thing, negative 9, 0, and then 9, comma 0. There's my vertices, right? Because my other one's right here. 1, 2. It's that point right there, the vertex of the hyperbola. The foci is a squared plus b squared equals c squared, or big squared plus small squared equals c squared. The foci is 81 plus 4 equals c squared. 81 plus 4 is 85 equals c squared. C equals the square root of 85. So that means it's going to be somewhere about here. Let's see what I'll do this in blue. I'll do it in orange. Right about here. From the center, you go square root of 85. I can't make that any simpler. So it's square root 85, 0 for my foci. Square root 85, 0. And then negative square root of 85, 0. Oops, sorry. There it is. Square root of 85, 0. And negative square root of 85, 0. Based on that, from the center, this tells us where to go. This tells us, hey, go this way. And then opening, we said it's left and right opening. Some questions may ask you, what is the equation of the asymptote? Okay, what is the equation of the asymptotes? There's two asymptotes. Remember, the asymptote is rise over run. The equation of the asymptote well, to go from here, I go up 1, 2, I go over 9, right? So y equals 2 over 9x, and my y-intercept is 0 for this one. And this asymptote is y equals negative 2 over 9x plus 0. That's it. That's one where the center is at 0, 0, so that's a little bit easier. We'll do one that's not the center 0, 0, answer all those questions, and we'll graph, and then we'll be done. All right. Are there any questions? Okay, I'm going to remove this in 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's go ahead and look at one. Let's do 5. You guys can do 3. We'll do 5. Oh, then we'll graph. I'll do one graphy. No, let's be done. Okay, let's do 5. What do we need to find? We need to find the vertices, foci, and openings. And we'll do the vertices, foci, opening, and let's find the what do you call it? The asymptote equation for the asymptotes. Okay, so our equation is x plus 2 squared all over 169 minus y plus 8 squared. Oh, I might not even be able to fit this. So I might just have to draw like a picture. That's pretty big. Let's see. My center is -2, -8. Okay. All right, so let's go ahead and draw a picture. Let's see, -2.
You're not producing.
Sorry, thank you, Ivan. Thanks for speaking up. Okay, so anyway, you guys, the center is -2, -8. So again, you can just draw. Go up a little bit. I don't know if I'll be able to fit it, but because those numbers are so big. So we'll just make it a picture. Okay, so -2, -8. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's my center. Let's do it in orange. Let's make sure I'm right there. You guys see? There's my center. -2, -8. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So you can see everything there. Okay. So now my A or my X, let's see, the A always goes over the positive. A equals 13. Unlike the ellipse, the A is the bigger one, right? B is 2. So I'm going to go left and right 13 from my center, right? I don't know if I'll fit it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. That one fit. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Now you guys don't need to do this. You can just write 13 across, right? So you can, it's just nice to count the squares. So then I go up 2 for my B, because that's under my Y. I go up 2, 1, 2, down 2, 1, 2. And let's draw our nice little box. Dash it up. Lines are so. I'm starting to need glasses. I can't see my lines. Dash it up. Dash it down. And then hit this dot here. Dash it across. Dash it up. Let's connect our little what are these called? The corners for the make the asymptote. like these corners to make the asymptote. Okay. And again, my x is positive, so let's go ahead and draw our vertex. Like this, like this, and like this. Oops, not supposed to touch the line, but you guys get the idea. Like that. There's my hyperbola. So let's answer the questions. Because this one you don't necessarily need to graph it. I just think it's easier to see. Because the reason being, well, the vertices are right here. You can see the vertices from the center is going to be like the center is -2, 8. And since it's going to cross, I want to add 13 to my -2, right? So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11. So it'll be 11, -8. Can you see that? For my first vertice. And this one you can see, I'm going to take away 13 from my -2. It should be -15. So like I said, you could say, oh, I know you don't need a graph. You could say, well, my center's going to be -2, and I know it's opening left and right. So my vertex is going to be 13 over because of the A, right? But you take away 13. But the picture just, for me, it's easier to see it as it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 15. So -15, -8. And then the foci is a squared plus b squared. So it's 169 plus 4 equals c squared. 169 plus 4 is 173. So square root of 173 equals c. I don't think we can break that down. 173 divisible by anything? Such a weird number. That can't be prime, can it? 173 divided by no. So square root of 173. So it'll be somewhere right about here from the center. The square root of 173. Let's just find the square root of 173. What is that? That's about 13 something. Am I talking to air? I don't even know if anyone's there. Just like talking to air. 13.1. Okay, thank you. So 13.1 over 1, 2, 3, 4. Like it's 13.1. Like this is 13, so it's 0.1 over. But that doesn't matter. The foci is going to be the center, -2. I'm sorry, that's not right. The center, -2 plus the square root of 173, comma, -8, right? Because from here I add 173. And then -2 minus square root of 173, -8. Okay? And then opening left and right, left, right, right, left, right, left, right. And the equation of the asymptote, well, oh, that's a mother, you know what? Because what's the y-intercept? So the asymptote, I run 13. This asymptote is going to be y equals 2 over 13x plus b, right? I don't know what my b is. Where's it crossing here? So you got to pick a point to figure out where it's crossing. I got this point right here as my center. To figure out the b, you plug in an x and a y. Right? You want to figure out the b. So you can use the point slope form. In fact, I wonder if I should. I'll use point slope form. Let's use point slope form to figure it out. Remember point slope form? Because that's one of your, we did this, right? So remember, you have to know this over the final. Y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. So we want to find the equation of the asymptote. I know that my slope is 2 over 13. And I got 1 point. I have my center point, which is -2, -8, right? That's my point, my center point. You guys remember that? The center point, -2, -8. So we go y minus -8 equals 2 over 13, x minus -2, and we just solve it. Y plus 8 equals 2 over 13, x plus 2, and then I just, oh, I forgot the parentheses. Sorry about that. It seemed too easy. Don't forget the parentheses. Then I got to multiply the 2/13, 2 over 13x plus 4 over 13. Then I take away 8. Oh my goodness. 4/13 minus 8. 4/13. What's 8? Right? 8 over 1. Multiply top and bottom by 13. 8 times 13. 104. So negative 100 over 13 y equals 2/13 x minus 100 over 13. So that's that. I'm gonna pause here, see if there's any questions. 2 over 13 x minus, was it 100 over 13? That's that. That is that asymptote. I'm going to go back to the work that I did because I still have to do the other asymptote. So that's that. Shall we do the other asymptote? Y minus y1 equals m times x minus x. You think it should be the same, Sensei? Well, no, because the slope now is -2 over 13. And you use the same point, -2, -8. But we did most of the work. Y minus -8 equals -2 over 13 x minus -2. And then we add it. Y plus 8 equals, make that a plus, -2 over 13 x minus 4 over 13. Then I take away 8, which 8 again is -104 over 13. Now we're adding because they're negative. So this will be -108 over 13. So my equation is going to be y equals -2 over, can you see that? Right, see these can't, I'm just rewriting this. Y equals -2 over 13 x, and then this, minus 108 over 13. I'll pause so you guys can think about that, but here's this equation for this one for going down. Y equals -2 over 13 x minus 108 over 13. That's that one. Holy moly. That's the asymptote. And it's right here. I'll leave it right there so you guys can get a second to think about that, collect your thoughts. It's not that hard. It's just a lot of work. And with all that work, you might be going, oh my gosh, what do you do there? I'm panicking. Don't panic. Stop, say, you can ask questions right now. Say, Sensei, what'd you do there? What'd you do there? It just, the fractions is what, that's the butt kicker, right? If there's no fraction, you know, it'd be like probably twice as easy is what it is now. It's still difficult, but it's just a lot of steps. Are there any questions? Okay. I'm going to remove this in 10 seconds unless anyone needs it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Does anyone need my hyperbola? I'll put that there. There's the whole hyperbola thing. Use that whole thing. 5. I'm gonna take this out in 10 seconds unless anyone needs it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh no. No, Sensei! No! Sensei! No! Sensei! Okay, let's just graph one, then we'll be done. I'll graph one, then I'll let you guys go. And if you guys have questions, you may ask. One more, Sensei. Why are you having us do so little, Sensei? I wish you had us do more. Really? You guys want me to assign more? I feel like I'm cheating you guys because I'm giving you such little assignments. It's honors class. I'm going to do 13. Should I do 13? I'll try to find the hardest one. Yeah, I'll do 13. Okay, 13. Dun 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 13. Dun 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 13. Dun 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 dun. This will be easier because we just have to graph it. You have to find all those information. It just says graph it, I think. Let's read the instructions. You know, all these open left and right. Do any of them open up and down? 11 does. I don't know if you guys want to do an up and down. 9 does. You know, I'm going to do 9. Opens up and down. I'm going to do an up and downer. I'm doing up and downer. 9. I'm doing 9. Is that okay? Protest if you don't want me to. Get all mad. Get violent. It's okay to get violent nowadays. Okay. I'm doing 9. It opens up and down. Okay. So, I know you can't see me. I'm just drawing the graph now. Actually, here, you want to see me draw the graph? Like watching me draw the graph. There we go. My hairy arms. Oh my gosh, why do you say that? Okay, here we go. Woo! Do 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 do. Ah, the radiation! Ow! Oh my gosh, my hands are oh! Oh, ow! Oh, the radiation! Oh, it burns! Oh my gosh.
Mr. Sanchez,
Yeah.
what do your kids think of you yelling like that?
I think they're concerned about my livelihood.
And what about your wife?
She married me because I'm a little weird. So she gets amused by it. But this was actually, okay. I'm going to do radioactive teaching right now. So is that okay? Can you guys see this? Oh my gosh. It burns just a little bit. I was just exaggerating. Just burns just a little bit. But let's figure out the center. The center, my X, this is my X value, right? So my X, I'm confused by these colors. Do you know what color this is? Do you know what color this is right here? This is red. Look at that. And see this? This is blue. They switch. Oh! -1, +1 is my center. -1 is my X, +1 is my Y. So I go -1, +1. Oh man, I think I'm getting used to it. In fact, this radiation is making me kind of powerful. Like the angrier I get, the stronger I get. It's crazy. So this means I go over 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and I go over 4 this way. 1, 2, 3, 4. I go up 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. These will be more graphable because they're made to graph. What does my ruler look like under the radioactive power? Right? Okay, so, and let's do our asymptotes. Connect. Am I going too fast for anyone? Michael and Zavino.
Yes.
Am I going too fast?
No.
Okay. Are you concerned about my hands burning up?
Not really.
Okay, that's good because I'm actually getting used to it. I'm feeling powerful now. Okay. Do you guys see my function? My those are my landmarks. It's not my graph. Haven't graphed it at all. Okay. Up and down or left and right? Isaac, what do you think? Up and down or left and right?
Up and down.
Very good, because the y is positive. We go up and down. I'm going to do orange. What color do you think orange is going to be? Here we go. Here's my vertex. What color is it? Orange is blue. Goes like that. Goes like that. Oh, I need to be solid. I don't know why I'm not drawing it solid. And then goes like that. Goes like that. And that's how you graph it. Whoa.
That's it. That's it.
Yeah.
Oh, all right.
The graphing is the easier part. What color is this circle, do you think?
Brown.
Black. What color is this bowl? See the bowl? It's a bowl. You can't even tell.
White. White.
Yes, it's a white bowl. Okay, let's play one more game, then I'll let you guys go. What color is oh you guys can probably see it the other end. What color is this bear's kimono?
Red.
Oh, it is orange. So I'll take red, probably red. Maybe that's red. Okay, anyway. All right, guys. How do I look if I shine my face? Whoa, oh, Halloween, spooky. Okay. I'm sorry. That was inappropriate. Okay, okay. Stop it, Sanchez. Okay. All right. Are there any questions over anything? All right. See you guys tomorrow. We're studying for finals. Homework is due tomorrow. Do you understand that? Homework is due. Bye. Max is first out of there. Seth. Bye, Seth. Bye, Clara. Bye, Ivan. Bye, Giselle. Bye, Caitlin. Bye, Jade. Bye, Ishi. Yes, question?
What time is it due?
It is 10:57.
No. I said, what time is it due? Like the homework
Oh,
tomorrow.
I thought you said, what time is it, dude? And I'm your teacher, man. Don't call me dude. You can do it by midnight. That's fine.
All right, thanks, dude.
No, sorry. All right. See, he just locked out of there right away. All right, guys. All right, Alex and Strummer. What's up, guys? Or maybe Alex left.
Do we need to find the asymptotes for 9?
No, just graph.
Okay.
Whatever the
All right.
instructions say. All right. See you, Strummer.
Bye. Bye, Vicente.